Okay, we're here. This is your third day or your final day before you get to go back to class. We're still on 1.3. We're solving two-step equations right now. We're going to get a little bit into multi-step, and we'll see if we can handle that. So we've got several examples here that we're going to work on, and so we're going to get started with that. All right, so we're going to start with 14 here. So 14, we're going to just get started. Just make sure we remember how to do problems. And 14 is just a regular two-step. I want to go over just another one. Again, I kind of want you to have done this and kind of use this to check yourself, help you remember. So here we go. First step is here. Got to be fair on both sides. So that's going to end up being 72 equals negative 4n. Then we're going to divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. And we're going to end up with a negative answer. So that's going to be negative 1. And then it is going to be 8. And that is going to equal n. So n equals negative 18. All right, let's go ahead and this one. And again, we still have notes. We should have our notes out for this to give us the order that we're supposed to do anything. 18 is kind of an exception. It's kind of like a fraction. It's kind of a fraction that has a lot on top. So we're going to do something a little different with this. So 18, problems like 18 with the big fraction bar right here are kind of an exception. First thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply. And then we're going to have this. Okay? And this is just an exception to the overall rule that we have. And we'll go more into this later on, but this is what we want to do if we see this problem. Then, of course, we're just going to add 2, and v equals 12. Okay. Moving on down the road, we're going to work on 23. 23 is our first. Well, we also have, I think, 12. If you got stuck on 12 and had to skip it, well, 23 is just like it. And so we're going to go ahead and look at 23 and see what's different about it. It is not a two-step equation. It is a multi-step equation. That means more than 2. And so we should recognize right off the bat that this is the distributive property. I keep messing up my straightness. This is the distributive property, and so we're going to start with that. Remember, we need to multiply here and here, here and here. And so we're going to get our 4x minus 24. Let's add 24. Let's add 24. And that looks like that's going to be a 44. 4x, divide by, well, I wrote xx. I don't think that's what I'm supposed to write. So let's go ahead. That's why we're supposed to use pencil. I use pen so you can see it better. So what I should have written, 44 equals 4x. And then we're going to divide by 4. Divide by 4. And we're going to get our final answer, and we just have enough room to put it. X equals 11. Okay. Well, that's it. That's it. I'm going to help you on this one. We are going to do some new stuff in class, the first 30 minutes of class. We're going to go over some of these things. We're going to grade these worksheets, and we are going to make sure we understand, and then we're going to move on a little bit and do more multi-step. So I will see you in class. Bye.